Hi guys, and happy Friday, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have amazing plans for this weekend, even if that includes just laying in the bed and relaxing and recuperating from this past week. Today I wanted to do a little home thing concerning white dishes. White plates. See all those marks, those utensil marks when people come over, even if it's just you getting on your white plates or other plates you may have, that you're like, oh, this looks bad. Do I have to replace my dish set? No, no. I love these dishes. These are my Le Creuset dishes, and they're stoneware. They go in the oven. I wanted them to go in the oven because I have a bit of an affinity to nachos. And let's just be real, nachos taste better in the oven. So yeah, but yeah, you don't have to buy a new dish set. I'm going to show you how to get the utensil marks off your dishes that I've been doing for years, and I thought you guys would like to know. And it's really easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort or time, but you know, depending upon how much scratches you have, it can take some elbow grease. So keep watching and I'll show you how to get your dishes spick and span so that they are presentable again. All right, guys, here we go. The secret weapon is a product called Barkeeper's Friend. This is amazing. This is just how I've always cleaned my white plates. And a scrubby thing. So as you can see, this white plate is, oh my gosh, just scrapes everywhere. All you do basically is put some of this on there. Okay, I'm gonna wet this. And guys, I just start scrubbing. That's all we're doing. Let me make sure. Let me set this aside. Just start scrubbing. And it's sort of making a paste. Basically, guys, I'm gonna scrub until they come off. Just to show you, I can still keep scrubbing, but look how different this plate looks. How great is that? All right, guys, I hope you enjoy watching me scrub the plate. It's all clean though. And yeah, you know, some of the marks are scratches, but the majority of them are just utensil marks. And so Barkeeper's Friend has been my friend for years, and I love it. And what I do is I put them in the dishwasher afterwards. I wash them and then put them in a dishwasher. And yeah, I do this about once a month because we can be hard on our plates. That doesn't mean you have to buy new plates. I'll put the link down at the bottom to where you can find these plates. These plates come in different colors and all type of stuff. But I really do. I love these plates. These are my favorite plates. I don't know now if you can use Barkeepers on china or stuff like that, but on stoneware, definitely you can. So I hope it was informative. I know it was quick, but sometimes you just need to know how to get rid of stains. That's my thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love these plates. I love these plates. Oh, these are the best plates ever. I just love them. You know, people compare these to the Fiesta plates. I haven't actually tried those, but you can try Fiesta plates too. But I love these plates. I do.